Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, the 29th of October, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we got practice 4.4. All right, the accelerated math class, we've got practice 6.3. Remember, as always, our notes can be found within Google Classroom. We also have 30 minutes of Moby Max due tomorrow for regular math. In science, we've got a Google Doc to fill out over finding elements. Make sure you're using the periodic table. And there is no homework for your accelerated class. However, you have a mineral quiz coming up Monday in which you could prepare for. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, there's no homework as well. However, the accelerated class, your final draft of A Beautiful Place, descriptive essay based on criterion feedback. In literature, we need to keep reading for our AR points. Their due date will be coming up before you know it. In CNL FCS 6, it is listed as nothing. Tomorrow for our Spirits Wear Week. All right, on Friday, it's a Halloween character day. You may dress up, but school rules still apply. We're not wearing masks. We're not doing anything inappropriate. You must follow the school dress code that is there. One side piece of information, I do know if you go into your classes, all right, especially science class, when you come down here, Miss Falk has posted, you will receive 20 points of extra credit if you can sing this song to the class before Thanksgiving break. It is the Elements song, Outside of the Addams Family. This is one of the best songs that has ever been written. That's it for this evening. I hope everyone stays well out there and you stay dry. We'll see you on Friday.